a lady yesterday was fishing next to a boat and she got it hooked in pretty well and tangled up. So yeah, a morning swim, not by choice, but it was nice. And now we're off to a fishing / diving shop to look at some wetsuits and maybe a spear fishing gun. I don't know, we'll see. This is more up to Walter, so
if I'm doing it from the shore and going to do, I
just waiting a little trial.
Very easy, so I use less weight.
Come on, show off your gun. And now we're going out for a night on the town, but not for too long because tomorrow we have a sail of about 6 or 7 hours, so we have to be rested. It's an open sails, and we're getting ready for our longest yet passage from Patmos to Ikaria. Come on. Let's go. No jumping up. So this is an actual geothermal spring. Oh, you can see some steam right there. There's like slight little steam coming off the pond. Oh my God, it's actually like so hot you can't really like leave your hand for too long. And this is basically right next to the marina. So we made it to Ikaria yesterday. It's the island named after Icarus from Greek mythology. So Icarus was the guy that flew too close to the sun. So that's where the expression comes from as well. The island is like really beautiful. It's just like one big mountain, just like one big rock. And it just has this crazy beautiful landscape. You can see behind me a view of the coast. Sunrise kind of still. The island is known for geothermal springs, so we have one right next to the marina, and it literally is like a tiny little like spring with very hot water in it. But today we're gonna go see some bigger ones and try and swim in them. We're just walking down to Thermal, where guess what? There's geothermal springs apparently. Other than the spring itself, this place is located in like a really weird place. Basically it's like next to this building and it all kind of looks quite run down. And yeah, the actual thing is like behind here. That's how you go in. There's little steps. Oh, there's someone there. Okay. You think she's gonna be freaked out by the heat? Oh! She doesn't like the taste of it.
She had to try it, okay? That's why we're killing the dog. People there?
I don't know.
What's that? Red dog kiss. big moment for the camera.
Right now we are traveling from Ikaria to Mykonos, and it's not very exciting. We're just motoring, and we're hoping that it won't be like this for the whole time. So I love a carbon steel knife, but they might not be the best option to have on the boat just because they rust. Especially keeping them right next to the window is probably not a great idea, which is exactly what I did. And two of my knives rusted completely. Now I'll try to fix them, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So yeah, we can see it's coming off quite nicely. The black stuff is a patina, which we want to keep anyway, so I think this side is pretty much done. I'll give it another rock and that's it. Now into sharpening. I have a new set of stones, they're already soaked. I have this little guard, I always use it for sharpening and just do the basic like back and forth move. Whoosh!